Google Fit Honest Review. Watch before using. Google Fit is a free fitness tracking app available on Android devices and smartwatches, designed for those who want to track their activity, monitor their health, and improve their fitness levels. It stands out due to its integration with Google's broader ecosystem, including devices like Wear OS smartwatches, and the ability to sync with third-party apps like Strava and MyFitnessPal. The app offers features such as step tracking, distance covered, calorie burn, heart rate monitoring, and active minutes, metrics that are vital for anyone aiming to stay on top of their physical health. One of its main attractions is the Heart Points system, which encourages users to get at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise per week, aligning with recommended physical activity guidelines. Designed for anyone from casual exercisers to more fitness-conscious individuals, Google Fit is great for people who need an easy, straightforward app to track basic fitness metrics without a steep learning curve. If you're using an Android device, Google Fit is highly accessible, providing a sleek and intuitive user interface. For those already using a Google ecosystem, like Pixel phones or Wear OS watches, it's especially seamless, offering great synchronization across your devices. That said, there are a few limitations. While Google Fit can track basic activities like walking, running, cycling, and strength training, it lacks more detailed metrics compared to specialized fitness apps like Strava or MyFitnessPal. Also, the app's lack of in-depth workout plans and personalized coaching might deter those looking for more structured guidance. Additionally, Google Fit's calorie tracking isn't as precise, and it relies on integration with third-party apps to get more accurate data for things like food logging. Overall, if you're someone who wants a simple app to track steps, heart rate, and basic workouts without too much complexity, Google Fit is a great choice. However, if you're looking for detailed fitness plans, in-depth analytics, or a more engaging community experience, you might want to look into other options. Google Fit does the basics very well and excels at syncing with various devices and apps, but it may not be enough for fitness enthusiasts looking for advanced features. So, before using Google Fit, consider what your main fitness goals are and whether this app will truly support those objectives.